Welcome to another edition, guys, of Cooking with Puddin'. We're gonna do tacos. We did a full day of fishing today with Connor, who's behind the camera. Thanks so much, Connor. And we went peacock fishing. We got some sort of catch and cook with bass and peacocks. And we went pompano fishing on the beach. You guys are gonna love it. But today, we're on the water all day. We're gonna do some tacos. So I'm fat, so I'm just gonna kind of saute them in some butter, real light and easy. And Connor wants a little bit more texture. So show over here, Connor, a little bit. I got the Sheepshead all out here, and I got salt and pepper on it. Nice. And so for Connor, I'm gonna put some in some flour. This is pretty much a simple way to coat anything with breadcrumbs or whatever you wanna do. And then we're gonna put it in some egg. Even got the things laid out here. You see this? I got the egg here too. So silly. And then get that nice. That helps the egg stick on there, and then we put it right in the panko. All right, so now we got a lot of panko on there. Nice. And I got my preheated skillet that you guys gave me. Thank you so much. There we go. It's kind of a saute. Pan out a little bit. They want to see the person. There you go. All right, so I'm going to finish up doing about half these. And as we know, fish takes about 10 minutes per inch. These are pretty thin. And I'll show you when we flip and how it's hell of a done. We'll be right back. All right, so this fish is cooking pretty fast. I'm still not quite used to this pan. It works so much better than all the other pans I've ever had. But basically you feel it getting a little firm if there was no coating on it. Oh, that's a little burnt. That's Connor's. That's your piece, Connor.
That's a signature meal right there.
That's not too bad. Oh, it's blackened. That one's good right there. You know, again, they're very thin. That one's perfect. I didn't have enough butter in there. A little extra butter, right? There we go. Kaboom. Spread it around. I'm gonna cook mine up in just a little butter, no coating on it, and maybe add a little lemon. And we're having tacos. Darcy's got avocados and at the table for the taste test and to see how these tacos turned out, even though this is Connor's. All right.
Dive in.
Yeah, Darcy made all kinds of great things. We actually made our tacos a little different. Connor's got all kinds of stuff in hers and his. Darcy's is way too big.
Yeah.
And mine is like the diet one.
It's gonna be a mess. Get ready. Sorry, I'm wearing a hat at table, but I have hat hair from being on the boat for 10 hours.
The trick is to take big bites to get the full effect.
That's what I teach in the Marines.
I don't know how he does this, but he literally finishes like, how's he enjoying it right now? He literally finishes it in like 6 bites.
That's how boys eat. And I forgot to show you guys how I kind of heat them up on the grill, on the pan first. Just a little butter and swirl it around, and then flip your little tortilla over. And we got soft tacos today, so that works out really great. I didn't realize how good the Sheepshead was, because we never have it, and it's so great. Mm-hmm. It's like a medium firm white meat, delicious. How good is it?
It's like a poor man's lobster.
It's like poor man's lobster. That's what they call it.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good. I don't even need a taco. I'm gonna eat it regular.
Super yummy. We really should target them more often.
We're gonna.
They're a fun fight and stuff, and I've been begging to do this for forever now, so I'm so glad that it worked out, and I'm so glad that Connor got to catch one, and I got to catch one, and it's just cool, you know, being able to be there and learn how to do it, and then teach someone how to do it, and then just have a successful day out there. So can't complain.
She's so great.
Great day on the water. Great day.
Yeah.
But
yeah, and as I said, we got some more videos coming up with Connor, Pompano on the
yes,
beach.
some epic stuff coming.
And freshwater fishing.
Don't give it away.
All right, well, I'm tickling it. I'm teasing it so they come watch.
Okay.
All right.
Good.
So until those videos.
Follow your dream and
keep
on
on
catching.
catching.